master! You also lost our one medic. Please tell me, what were you thinking?
I am afraid I do not remember. Autobots, roll out.
Give me a moment.
No.
I guarantee you will never have a better opportunity than right now.
I'll give you one chance to surrender, Megatron. For the sake of your own life, take it.
No! Misdirection, Optimus. You would have made a fine Decepticon.
No?
Uh-oh. Yes! And so it ends, just as I envisioned, with your head beside my new trophy. A skyquake so tragically discovered.
I'm sorry. What?